Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Photoshop tutorials how to increase resolution. Okay, for example, I will open this image, and if you want to increase this image resolutions, you can go to image menu, click on image size, and will be show for image size dialog box. In here you can set for width and height in here. This is for the original size, or you can use these tools to increase, like I will use this option. It will be automatic change, or you can use default, like width I will set into 2000, and then you can click OK to apply. So it will be automatically increase the resolution of this image. Okay, that's it for basic Photoshop tutorials, how to increase resolution. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.